Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and for those of you who've been with me for a while, thank you for stopping by. Today we are doing my wig installation. I don't do much when it comes to my wig installations, but I just wanted to show you guys what I typically do for my hair and what works for me. I am gonna do this Melted Hairline by Outre. So this time I decided to do something a little different. I'm going for something with color. Very surprising for me, but I wanted to do something a little different. So the name of the wig is Natalia. Natalia is very pretty. I like it. And it is in the shade DR2 or Autumn Brown. When I picked this hair out, I really liked it. And that's why I went for it. You guys have seen my bang wig, but for the most part, I prefer wigs that are longer, and so that's why I chose this one. It comes like that. This is the color I got. Like I said, very different for me. So it has baby hairs and everything, but that's just not my journey, and we'll see how I feel about it. So the first thing I do is put on my wig cap so I can kind of see like how much I need to cut, how it fits on my head. This kind of just helps like the wig lay down better. So right now my hair is like slick back, which makes it pretty easy. Sometimes I braid it back and sometimes I just slick it back like this, so you have a very nice and flat look. So as you can see, this one is lace. It also has some baby hairs, which I don't really care about. There are 2 clips on the side and 1 at the back. So this one is very different because there is a band at the front of it. I am not very familiar with that. I've never seen it before. Ooh, who is she? Who is she? Period. This is cute. But I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing with the band. Y'all, I'm not an expert, but I just like put the clips where they're supposed to go and kind of find the middle of my hair. So the 2 clips on the side, I always find my middle part by using like the very secure parts on the side and kind of like centralize it like that. So this is it. This is really nice. So a lot of people will cut the lace on a mannequin head. I just kind of feel for like where I need to cut, because this one is so nice. I can literally pull it back if I wanted to. Look at that. Once I figure out the middle, I kind of go in with a small scissors, and that's how I start cutting off all that extra lace. So this is looking fine. Yeah, I'm gonna use some Got To Be Blasting Frizz Spray. I'm just gonna put it around the hairline. Now, I'm not a professional hairdresser. I just do what works for me, and this works for me. So I really like how it flows like this. Very nice. I like it. So I could end the look right here because this looks fine. I'm adding this around the hairline, and then I'm gonna pull back the wig and kind of finish the installation. I never add too much. You can use the glue. I just use the spray. And kind of go, and that's kind of what I do. I always avoid the hair because it gets really sticky, and you just place it down where you have that spray. Now sometimes I have to make sure I accommodate it really well because it's not always where I want it to be. So I kind of use this to kind of like fit it down. So kind of like that. And then you can tie it down. This is the finished look, basically. I feel like I didn't do such a perfect job with my edges, but it looks okay. I think it looks okay. I could still play with it a little bit, but I think this is pretty good. I like it. So yeah, don't forget to sound off below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the hair color, the installation. Are you all feeling it? Did I body that or no? Anyway, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.